the government of India has been doing a discussion, a deliberation on whether two vaccines that are being used right now in the country can be mixed or not. The government has not come up with any rules and regulations, and it's very, very clear. There is no decision just yet on whether these two vaccines can be mixed or not. But the government has actually said, interestingly and curiously, that there was a mix in a place in UP of these two vaccines, and there is nothing to be concerned about. 20 people were given doses, one of Covaxin, one of Covishield in UP's Siddharthnagar. Health officials said that this was a mistake and an administrative oversight, but the people who received the doses are doing well. The government of India ironically says there is nothing to worry about. Take a look.
Call it bizarre, but 20 people were given a vaccine cocktail in Uttar Pradesh's Siddharthnagar. First dose Covishield and second Covaxin. Local health officials called it a mistake, an administrative oversight. But the incident has sparked massive confusion. Is mixing vaccines dangerous or an immunity booster? Government protocol on vaccination state that people must take both shots of the same vaccine, as there is no evidence-based trial done on mixing Covishield and Covaxin shots. The villagers claim that they were unaware of what was being given, but so far have not reported any serious adverse effects after this vaccine cocktail.
कोविशील्ड लगी पहली वैक्सीन, कोविशील्ड लगी, और दूसरी वैक्सीन जब लगी तो उसका देखा गया सीसी, तो वो को वैक्सीन था।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई बाबा?
कुछ नहीं साहब, कोनो दिक्कत नहीं।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
डॉक्टरों ने क्या कहा? डॉक्टर से दोबारा मिले कि नहीं आप लोग जब
नहीं, क्यों अभी नहीं किया डॉक्टर?
कुछ डॉक्टरों ने संतुष्ट किया, कुछ बताया?
जी हाँ साहब, कि मैंने पूछने लगे तो हम लोगों ने बताया साहब कि हम लोगों को कोई तकलीफ नहीं है साहब। लग गया है सुई, लेकिन गलत से, लेकिन कोई तकलीफ नहीं है ना।
हाँ, वो तो हमारे लगवाए ना, वो हमारे को नहीं पता रहा।
नहीं पता रहा। लेकिन कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई?
नहीं, दिक्कत नहीं, कुछ नहीं।
The Indian government health expert on vaccination says that it is not protocol, but it isn't a cause of concern either.
प्रोटोकॉल के हिसाब से हमें सजग रहना है कि ऐसे नहीं हो, बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ इट शुड बी, कि पहले जो टीका लगे उसी वैक्सीन का दूसरा टीका। लेकिन फिर भी अगर ऐसे हो भी गया है, सर्टेन कर लीजिए, उस व्यक्ति को बेसिकली नॉट टू वरी।
Experts, however, say one cannot mix vaccines without proper clinical trials, and both Covishield and Covaxin are made differently based on different technologies.
यदि पहली डोज कोवैक्सिन की लगी है तो दूसरी डोज कोविशील्ड की नहीं लेनी चाहिए। सिमिलरली पहली डोज कोविशील्ड की लगी है तो दूसरी डोज कोवैक्सिन की नहीं लेनी चाहिए। दोनों ही अलग वैक्सीन हैं, एक वेक्टर्ड वैक्सीन है, दूसरी इनएक्टिवेटेड वैक्सीन है। एट दिस पॉइंट मिक्स एंड मैच बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए। जो पहली डोज ली है, दूसरी डोज भी उसी वैक्सीन की होनी चाहिए।
But studies on mixing vaccines are being conducted globally. Clinical trials combining doses of AstraZeneca and Sputnik V jabs began in February, but both of these are adenovirus vector vaccines. One study in Spain found that using Pfizer for the first shot and Covishield for the second produced a potent immune response against the novel coronavirus. But the Spanish trial was conducted under supervision. Mixing doses is not recommended anywhere on the planet, and certainly not outside clinical trials. With Milind Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.
Abhishek Mishra is giving us more details on that story. He joins us from Lucknow. Abhishek, you know, the irony of the situation here is that until about 10 days ago, the central government's NEGVAC was deliberating on this, whether vaccines can be mixed or not. From what it appears, the centre has said nothing to really worry about, essentially. Is it not a very casual sort of a response, and they've just purely left it to chance, and it's sheer luck that any of these 20 people did not fall ill, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, and whatever has happened, specifically in Uttar Pradesh, Siddharthnagar, where we have seen more than around 20 cases, came where the cocktail vaccine was given to them. Although the center is saying that it is not going to affect much, but it remains to be seen whether whether they will have some adverse impact on their health issues, because it is not recommended globally. It is never done, and it is also not in the practice. But if something like this has occurred, it on the other hand shows the preparation of the government on the ground level. Specifically in UP, the government is expanding the drive from 1st of June, giving vaccine to 18 to 44 in all 75 districts. And their major concern is the rural areas. So it certainly raising questions on what is happening on the ground, whether the medical staff and the people who are in the drive giving this jab are taking this not seriously, because what has resulted here is seriously a question over the management. And this is not the first time. Earlier also we have seen some cases where such a cocktail vaccine was given. So indeed is a big concern, and that needs to be made sure at the ground level by the administration that nothing like this happens.
I remember, yes, Abhishek, the government of India had said in the past that every district is going to get one type of a vaccine. I remember this so well. This was part of the vaccine administration protocol, so that there is no confusion. This was something that was anticipated. Don't really know what went wrong in this particular area, because two types of vaccines were given to people, and this is a cocktail of vaccines. It's a matter of concern nevertheless. Thank you for getting us up to speed with all of those developments, Abhishek Mishra, with that story from Lucknow City. Let's now take a look at the vaccine tracker. The highest number of doses given in the country in Andhra Pradesh. First dose, 5,69,404. Again, the second dose at 11,473. And Manipur in the northeastern part of the country, in terms of giving the doses, is lagging behind the rest of the entire country. First dose of the vaccine given to over 3,000 people. Second dose only to 40 people in Manipur. That's how it looks like as far as the performance of states is concerned.